Hello, welcome to this week's Bitcoin update. And this week we're going to be having hopefully some clear movements in the market. I remain Leke, Cosmic Finance, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. For this week, we are expecting that Bitcoin should have a clear movement, as we saw last week. We saw that Bitcoin had a bit of a jump to this level here, which is 11,1138. And if you watch the previous video, which for last week, you remember that I mentioned that we might see a bit of a consolidation, that is a sideways movement that might linger for a while before we see a freedom movement to the upside. But notwithstanding, we believe we are still on track, and the market can still be positive. So you can see here that Bitcoin has really not done much. The market is still has been the same, and you can see that the market has moved sideways a bit. We expected that the market was going to break 11,138, which is the present resistance, but we can see that the market dropped below the support, being 10,773, and retested that support and made it a resistance, and now we are consolidating about that same resistance. So the market has been very choppy, and I would advise that you actually stay away from the markets. But if you actually want to trade smaller time frames, like the 1 hour or the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes, you could actually get a few trade setups. So, but if you want to be on the long term, which is the 4 hour or the daily chart, then it's best that you actually stay away from the market. The market is actually choppy, and there's a bit of inconsistency in the market right now. So what we actually expect for this week is to exercise a bit of patience, as it was advised last week. And what you're going to be saying is just wait for it to cross above the previous resistance, which is the 11,138. Once it crosses above that and retest that same level, then we're expecting a push to the upside. Not to forget that the major strategy we're using here for Bitcoin and Ethereum is the breakout strategy, and I'll basically say the consolidation and breakout strategy. So it's advisable that you work with your consolidations, because Bitcoin is a very volatile market. Whenever volume is being pumped into the market, it's usually a huge pump and there's a huge jump. So that's what we should be expecting for this week on Bitcoin. So you can see your MACD has crossed downwards, but not to forget that we are in the overbought region, right here. So you can see it's above the zero level, so we expected that the market is going to cross back upwards a bit, but for now we are still going to see a bit of consolidations for a while, just like we saw last week. And you can see last week right here, you can see that the market crossed downwards and got oversold, then later crossed upwards. So which means you could have actually made a bit of a profit just right here, from here to this level. But notwithstanding, if you actually missed that, then it's fine. It isn't a problem. All you need to do is just to wait for this week and wait for the cross either below 0 or even above the 0. Then you wait for your upward cross just to take the few profits that the market is going to bring to you. So that's what you expect for this week on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we actually check what Ethereum holds for this week. Ethereum usually show a chart similar to that of Bitcoin, and it's been a trend over the years. You can see that the same thing for Ethereum. You can see that the market is below the 200 moving average, which is this white line you see here. So it tells you that the market is bullish and is bearish. Yeah, and you can see that it's a retest of this present resistance level on your 200 moving average. The 200 moving average serves as a dynamic resistance, a dynamic trend line. So now you can see that your MACD is creating a downward cross right here. So at this downward cross, you're expecting that the market should fall to the oversold level, and if it drops to the oversold level, we're expecting it to drop below this last lower price, which is this lower price here being 313. So if it drops below this 313, we can expect that the market should have a little bit of jump. Okay, let me show you what I mean right here. Now the market, you can see right, okay, this is up. Let me show you what I mean. The market moved this way in a downtrend. Now when the market moved this way, you can, once you're able to discover this level, you know, that is the level where your MACD crossed downwards, and assume that your MACD crosses right here, you can actually take profit, right? You can actually place your entry right here. Then you can place your target at this exact level here, just here. So when your MACD crosses, you place your entry here, then you make this your target. So this is what I mean, just like here, because the market fell this way, then dropped below this level. Once it dropped below this level, you can, at this point where it had a cross, you can place your entry, then you make your target just this level here. So you're gonna be making a profit from here to here. So you can do the same for this week. If the market, you can see you had a cross downwards here, so just wait for the market to cross below this. If the market crosses below this level, then wait for your MACD cross upwards. Once your MACD crosses upwards just like this, you can place your entry, then make your profit target to be this level. So that's what you should be expecting for Ethereum and Bitcoin this week. Sorry about the background noise. I needed to do this as quick as possible. So if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, I implore you that you subscribe to this channel and you join the community. And if you want to have good understanding of how a lot of things work and how to trade, and you want to enhance your knowledge, click the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever videos like this are uploaded. On Mondays we upload Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. Sundays we upload volatility 75 boom and crash updates for the week. Then Tuesdays and Fridays we upload videos that will help you to be a better trader. So it's gonna be fun being a part of the community. Then if you also have time and you want to see more and learn more and build more strategies based on some of our previous videos, just check the description below. You will see a list of videos that we've created for you to start being profitable. So every other thing that you need, just check the description below and you're going to get them, maybe my contact or whichever that you want to use. And also you could also put your comments and let me know what you like me to talk about, or if there's any question that you want to be addressed or visited, you can also put in the comment section below. So I remain your boy Leki, and I'd like to see you in the next video. So bye for now, take care of yourself.